Hello, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. December 21st marks the first day of winter, and the change of seasons presents the perfect opportunity for you and your child to explore, try new things, and see the world in different ways. My name's Allie, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I'm here to help you get the most out of this week's activities as we welcome winter and all of its possibilities together. For many of us, winter means snow, but try to think about the snow as a blank canvas for creativity and exploration. Even a simple game like tag or hide and seek gains an added level of fun when there's fluffy snow involved. Take a look at our tips for building the best snowman. Then, ask your child questions to help them make and test predictions about building with snow. When it comes time for them to decorate their new snow friend, let them express their creative side by thinking outside of the old coal and carrot box. Regardless of the weather, studies have shown that outdoor activity has many benefits for kids. So don't feel guilty about taking a break from at-home learning to get outside and play. Kids will come back inside more focused, recharged, de-stressed, and ready to learn. Besides, going outside on a chilly day is the perfect excuse to warm up with a mug of hot cocoa. We hope this week's collection sparks your child's curiosity about the wintry world around them. We'll be back soon with more free digital activities. In the meantime, take care, stay warm, and have fun.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.